Owning and operating a fleet can be a major headache, and making sure your vehicles are well maintained is essential. On-Site Fleet Services of Florida provides quality care and specializes in mobile preventative maintenance. Stop stressing about getting your vehicles into the shop, because On-Site Fleet Services can come to you. The preventative maintenance services and DOT inspections that are offered keep your fleet on the road operating at maximum efficiency. On-Site Fleet Services' capability to service your fleet at your location allows you to get back on the road faster and not lose profit. If one of your vehicles breaks down, you don't need to worry, with 24/7 emergency roadside assistance provided. On-Site Fleet Services' fully equipped fleet of mobile trucks can handle it. Call 863-510-5992 or explore the website to help your fleet operate safely, run efficiently, remain on the road, and stay out of the shop.